if you come to where the floating restaurant is, which is, as you can see over there, if you come to here, there's a seafood restaurant. And I'm not coming here for the first time, this is the second time. I came here first time with Edward. We had something to eat.
You bring Edward here, but me no?
No, I'm not bringing Miss Tampo, no. So you can see, it's lovely guys. It's really nice. Let's take you across the road. Just to give you a bit more of a perspective where the restaurant is. So there's the floating restaurant. And here's the seafood restaurant. You see, they're looking, they're hoping they're going to get some guests.
Yeah, someone's there. There's a customer.
There's a customer. Right, see, I've got to be careful.
You try there,
because
nice?
some people don't want to be on.
Oh,
what?
You try before? Is it nice?
Yeah, I tried it. It was nice. Can't remember what I had. But as you can see, there's lots of different foods and it's not silly money. So that's what somebody like myself can eat on a budget. Sizzling scallop, that looks nice, Mel. I might try that.
Which one?
Or sizzling scallop, or maybe the sizzling seafood.
Yeah. You can order.
Oh, she gets so excited when it comes to food, guys.
Scallop is like a pizza.
Yeah, it's what they put on the pizza. It's nice. I'm not too keen on the calamari though. Yeah. Squid curry. No, I'm not. I think I'll have the sizzling seafood. What do you want?
Sizzling seafood, I think.
You good? What? We're getting two or one?
One. One yours, one now.
No, I'm saying I think I'll get that one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
No, that one. No, this one. It's just like going shopping with her. She'll pick something up and she'll put it down, then she'll what?
Oh, they have squid omelette as well.
Squid omelette. Oh, I might get that actually. I think I'll try the squid omelette. The squid's normally hard though, isn't it?
I will order this, you order this. Yeah?
Yeah, alright. Come on then, let's go and sit down.
They don't have rice.
Huh? Yeah, of course I've got rice.
Yeah, it's free. I mean,
No, you've got to order it extra, I think.
Ate, isa pong sizzling seafood sa isang squid omelette. Sa isang rice. Thank you.
So, if you come here, guys, visit this place because it's really nice. And the food is nice, and it's not a lot of money. So we'll give you a little view of what the food's like when it comes. So we've got a begging pussycat lot, and then we've got some begging people. So just while the food is cooking, this place is around about, on a motorbike or trike, however you get here, is about 12 minutes outside of Naga itself. It's a bit quicker from where we live, and it's really relaxing here when you come here. I love it. I feel sorry for the family who owns the boat, because like I say, they'll be out of business soon. It's going to be handy for the local residents, I guess, and it's used a lot, that boat. It's back and forwards all day. So it's raining a bit, so get back over there. Well, it looks like this camera might be working again now. I'm hoping so anyway. just been saying, Mel, it's about 12 minutes from Naga, isn't it, on a motorbike or trike. So it doesn't take long to get here. So if you're in Naga, give this place a visit, yeah? We'll show you the food in a minute. My calamari omelette, they don't have.
It's not available.
It's not available. So
The last time that you went here, what did you order?
I think I had the scallop, sizzling scallop, if I remember. Yeah, it was
Same
beautiful.
Edward?
No, I think Edward had what you're having, sizzling seafood.
Did you try it?
Yeah, of course I tried it. But he got a mountain of rice with it as well. Mel's ordered a mountain of rice, guys.
Mountain.
Yeah,
It's not mountain.
it's obligatory, isn't it? You gotta have the rice, babe. Where's my
I'm not
rice?
satisfied without if there's no rice.
Oh, you're never satisfied if there's no rice? Oh, okay. I'm getting excited, guys, and I'm starting to put the food on my plate before I've actually done the video of the food.
I think more rice. I need rice more.
She needs more rice, look. See, I tell you,
enough.
unless there's a bucket load of rice, Mel's not satisfied.
It's not a lot.
Well, that'd be enough for me. Do you want some more rice?
I will. Let's see later.
I've just took a taste, guys, and it's absolutely beautiful. Really
And
nice.
it's cheap. It's only 119 and then 99, I think.
119 pesos and 99 pesos. So we'll order some more rice. Ate, one more rice, please. One more. So is it sobrang masarap?
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Watch your fingers. Yeah. See? So, if you want to live here on a budget, guys, these are the places you have to come to.
Seafood.
And it's all seafood.
Yeah,
And
it's very
I like seafood. Seafood and eat it. So, this is another place you can come for some nice food, guys.
Yeah, and
if
it's
you're in
different
Naga.
as well. Because
Yeah.
in the center is all about manok, burgers, spaghetti.
Yeah, pig.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching what we're eating for lunch,
Yeah.
and we'll see you on the next video.
Yeah. Bye.
Please hit the like button.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share
Our videos. Thank you. Bye.